Good morning! This is the lobby ng aming accommodation. And sadly, it is raining. It's our third day today. Hi, I don't know if matutuloy ang aming tour. Kasi ngayon ang schedule. Wala pang abiso. It's around 7 a.m. in the morning and it seems na hindi hihinto ang ulan at makapal pa at madilim ang ulap. So, titik muna kami ng aming breakfast. Second day breakfast. Corned beef and egg. Wala pang abiso kung wala yung aming tour. Let's eat. And power outage. Anything could happen here in El Nido. As of 8:30 in the morning. Pero makulimlim at wala ng ulan, pero for sure uulan ulit to kasi madilim talaga, as in madilim, makulimlim. And luckily nag-push through ang tour A, pero ang tour C daw ay cancelled. Sinunod na kami ng tour guide to tricycle going to the port. Medyo mahina na yung ulan. Hoping na mas maganda yung weather later. So dito kami binaba sa Leatherback Travel and Cruise. So ito yung operator namin. Wait.
Diretso na po tayo sa beach pad po.
It's raining, man. Hallelujah. Going to our port. Oh, this is the port. Dami ng people. And dami na ring boat.
Yes, what was vegan? Wow, look at that. Just like it now. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna go to the Wait, konti lang yun, oh. Nampak.
Nag-rent kami ng beach shoes worth 100. Thank you.
Pili na lang ako. Pili.
And we are here sa boat namin. Ay, sorry. Time check, it's 9:50 in the morning and we're full packed. Ang dami. And it's still gloomy and may rain shower. Pero konti lang. And hoping we're about to go na. Kasi magta 10 a.m. na. Yay! Umandar na. And we're going to A.
Hello everyone! Hello!
Hello!
How are you?
Hi!
Are you ready for this?
Yes!
If you're ready, can you make me just a little bit noise?
Hey!
Energy almost accepted. Well, to all of the Philippines out there, hip hip!
Hooray!
And also European, make some noise! There you go. I want to hear the scream. People from United States of America. And of course, our brothers from Russia, make some noise! Alright. And is there any other country, Asian? Ohayo gozaimasu, Japan! I'm Filipino. And also, Mami, so in behalf of Leatherback Traveling Cross, let me introduce myself. My name is Rene. You can call me Ren for short, very short, okay? So I will be your local guide today, everyone, at the same time, your lifeguard and photographer, okay? Habla español on board? See? Call me Renato.
Renato.
Okay? Because everyone in this town call me Renato, the tour guide. But today you can call me Rene, it's fine, everyone, okay? And since you are 36 on board and we are 6 crews on board, I wanted to meet my partner, my cultural guide, and also your master photographer, everyone, meet.
Hello, good morning. My name is Roel.
Kuya Roel, good morning.
Hi.
And also, Mami, so I wanted to meet our official in-house captain, our coach captain for today, everyone, Captain Joven. Good morning! And also, everyone, we have our most important on board, our mechanic, and also the kitchen in charge, everyone. Meet James Carlo. Good morning, Carlo.
Give us nice food.
And also, everyone, our bartender at the same time, our DJ, Angel Ramos. Good morning, DJ.
Yay!
And also, our anchorman at the same time, our lifeguard, Kuya Roger. So, Mami, sir, welcome aboard her to our boat name for today. Please always remember your boat name. Your boat name for today is William Jeremy number 2. Always remember, Mami, sir, okay?
Huli ng isda yan.
So beautiful. Our tour is just starting, pero God, we're already falling in love. Kahit rainy season, super amazing. Grabe. So love it. The nature is so giving. First up, 7 Commandos. Grabe, ganda ng limestone, ng formation ng rock. Shucks. Ganda ng beach. It's so wide. Sa 7 Commandos. Yan. Iconic yung napakarami nilang nakatanim na coconut tree. And this part, ang nakaka-amaze, yung malaking rock formation na ito. As in, super ganda. And look at that. So ganda ng sand. Okay, wait lang. And the view. Grabe, it's so giving. Maal. Mapdi.
Dapat na dinala ko yung goggles.
Yung susunod natin. Relay mo na. Linaw, grabe oh. Linaw ng tubig. Light snack around the beach and in the boat. Enjoying the beach.
Naalon kanina eh. Commando Beach 7 Commando Beach.
Time check, 11:18. Going to the Big Lagoon. Still gloomy and medyo maambon. Still fine and still exciting pa rin ang ambience. The vibes still giving and enticing. Big Lagoon. Nice. Ito yung part na magkakayak tayo for 1 hour. So nice. Oh my God! Nakaka-excite. Buti na lang hindi mo ulan. Grabe. Na-excite na agad ako. Oh, shucks. Amazing. Grabe. Big Lagoon. At nagpapaddle here. Hi, nice. Actually, pa-entrance pa lang tayo. Malayo pa tayo. It's 350 meters ba? Ano? Tama ba? Away. So, yan. Let's paddle. Ganda ng ano dito. Limestone. Rock formation. Yes. And that's it, guys. Hello. We're entering the Big Lagoon. Ay, oo nga, no. Super ganda na. Oo nga, no. Ganda. Promise. Yeah. Yay! Di, babangga ka. Oh my God, babangga tayo. Babaw. Ah, may mga babaw pala ditong portion. Ay. Gano'n kalinaw. Saan? Pilino kalinaw ang tubig. And see the look. Super ganda ng Big Lagoon.
In the midnight glow where the stars
Ito na yung portion na
align,
malalim.
we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moon. night we'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations we'll find our way. Through the celestial symphony we'll sway. With every step we leave our cares behind. In this celestial ballroom love's defined. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, the fences bloom in the pale moonlight. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. The shimmering galaxies will find our way.
Grabe, ganda. Oh, ito, turquoise na turquoise ang dito malababaw ba yan? Or malalim na?
Ingat ka sa ano ba ito ha?
Entering in the small hole. Hindi ko kita. Bahala ka na lang. Tignan na sa akin pag mahuntog na ako. Nice! Galing mag-drive! Yes! Yeah.
Okay.
And we are here! Yeah.
Kita mo yan? Nasa likod mo?
Yes, nakaano siya.
cream, Magnum Cornetto. Cornetto Magnum. 150, 100. 150, 100. 150 po yung Magnum, 100 po yung Cornetto.
And sa almost half ng aming tour time, pinagbigyan kami ng Haring Araw. So nice. We're going to the Secret Lagoon. Hi.
Ale świnia. A to trzeba zgłosić na bookingu, wiesz? No. Ja też jestem na bookingu, ja tylko na bookingu. Chcę wszystkie kraje, które byłam.
Look at that. Ang ganda talaga ng dagat.
Bo kiedyś jeszcze Airbnb, no. I powiem ci szczerze, że też się nacięła. I tam dużo płatnych, dużo ceny są, powiedzmy, że będą do... Teraz jest okej. Tak. Już wiesz, dobra, no nie ma może pełnego słońca, ale to tak. Wiesz, no to co mam. O, gdybyście jechali do Australii, to koniecznie jedźcie na Tasmanię. Spodoba wam się.
Snorkeling area.
Słuchaj,
wiedziałem, że nie bardzo, bo torty papierowe i tak dalej.
tak?
No tutaj
Bo generalnie w Manila to wszystko w plastiku i Marcin to się tak śmiał, bo wiesz, w Australii wszystko jest zabronione, no nie, w ogóle nie masz prawa. A tutaj mówi, mama, wiesz co, aż nie wiesz. Ja akurat na zakupy to może zawsze boję papierowe, znaczy te lniane. Naprawdę, no, kolejna ciekawa, zobacz, inny kolor wody, no nie? Ale zobacz tam wszystko.
And we are here sa last stop. The Secret Lagoon and Small Lagoon.
Pierwszy statek, wiesz, tak jest z nami, to on go przychodzi, wiesz, a kajak może być.
Ito na daw yung Secret Lagoon. You have to enter the hole. Sige, go.
Okay. Okay. Seat. Put the legs down.
Then slide. Okay, abutin mo na to. Ay, mababa. Hindi lang ano.
Nice.
Hindi na walang ano. Bet, hindi ka nga naman.
Yes, wait lang. Ganda, grabe.
Uy.
Kaya mo mag-panoramic shot.
Wait lang, hindi ako marunong.
Try natin. Panoramic shots. And we're departing the Secret Lagoon. So, ito na yung last part natin. And we're going back to the port. Medyo mahaba din ang biyahe. And we are so glad na hindi na naging maulan. Naging maganda na talaga ang weather for us. Minutes before 5 p.m. and our tour is officially done. Nice, and we really enjoyed it so much. Nice. Leather ba?
Back here at the end of the town, okay? So this is the end and the hardest part of this tour. To say goodbye to each other. And also everyone, before we go down, let us greet. Thank you first to our coach captain for driving us safely back. Thank you, Captain Joven. And also to our chef, Roger, for serving us a good lunch. Thank you so much, chef. And Mami sir would like to say thank you everyone for choosing our company, El Nido Leatherback Traveling Consulting. Hope that we made your day memorable and enjoyable. Are you guys having fun today? Thank you so much everyone. And once again please, enjoy for the rest of your vacation in Palawan. Always love Philippines and mabuhay. That's all for everyone. Thank you so much.
And it is coffee time, coffee time, coffee time. This is the place, Coffee Break. So, cozy, chic, and nice. With outside the view. Yeah. Ciabatta and extra butter. Cafe latte and cappuccino with extra cookies on the side. Yes, that's our merienda. Let's drink coffee. And Pom Spanish for our dinner. Pom Spanish. Ang chill lang ng vibe.
Hindi ako nito.
Baka yun na yun? Hindi, wala kang plate eh.
Dito. Kuya, ito yung ano? Kanto pares. Tama nga.
And that's it. Good evening, guys. And it's already past 9 in the evening. So, officially nag-end na ang aming third day here in El Nido. And like what I have said before, ang highlight ng aming tour here in El Nido ay yung pinaka island tour na in-avail namin na worth 1,200 pesos. Tour A. Ito yung pupuntahan ay the Seven Commandos, the Big Lagoon. Siya yung pinaka-highlight ng lahat ng pupuntahan, the Big Lagoon. Then, Sumisu Island. Then, the Secret Lagoon at yung snorkeling area. So, 5 locations. So, saan namin in-avail? Supposedly, i-avail ko to sa Klook eh. Pero, parang nag-hesitant ako muna. So, ang ginawa ko, nagtanong ako sa lobby ng kung saan kami nakastay. Since na nagustuhan ko yung accommodation, then nagtanong ako dun sa receptionist. Since nakita ko naman nakalagay mga different signage na available na services na in-offer nila. And one of those is yung mga different kind of island tour. So sabi ko, maganda ba yung tour nyo? Sabi niya, yes ma'am, guarantee. So, sabi ko, itaray namin. So, sa kanila kami nag-book. Which, sa akin, kasi based dun sa Klook or sa ibang, most of the different agency here, mapa-local man, or yung mga nakapwesto online, or may mga sariling pwesto, average is 1,200 pesos talaga yung babayaran per pax yun. So, since same price, so, nag-decide ako sa kanila na din. Since, kahit pa paano, ang naka-mindset sa akin, since sila yung local here, so, mas alam nila na yung may offer nila ng good services ng pagdating sa island tour. Kasi, syempre, ayaw rin nila masisira. So, yun ang naka-mindset sa akin. That's why, yun yung binook namin. And, aside of sa 1,200 pesos per pax na fee, may additional na bayad for environmental fee na pag 400 pesos ang babayaran ay pag officially tourist ka talaga. So, meaning, hindi ka nakatira anywhere in Palawan. While if resident ka ng anywhere in Palawan, magbabayad ka ng 200 pesos. So, 400 pesos pag turista ka, then pag taga Palawan ka is 200 pesos. Anywhere yun. Pero pag taga El Nido ka, wala kang babayaran. So, 0. Then, additional payment then per pax is yung kayak, what's this? Yung entrance fee sa Big Lagoon. So, worth 200 pesos per pax din yun. So, totally, since na naka-base kami here in Puerto Princesa, ang binayaran namin for 2 packs is 3,200. Kasi 1,200 each plus 200 each for that environmental fee and additional 200 pesos each for the entrance in Big Lagoon. So, ano inclusion doon? Inclusion doon is yung kasama na lahat, yung boots, riding, lahat yun, pati food, included na rin. Included na rin yung free water and free use of beach towels. And, kasama na dun yung pick up ka sa hotel mo. So, pinick up kami dito. So, siya yung isa sa mga inclusion. So, normally, mag-start siya dapat, pick upin ka around 8 to 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. yung duration ng tour. And, at first, medyo na-sadden kami. Parang nag-worry kami kasi pagising namin around 6 a.m. as in, super lakas ng ulan. As in, buhos. Tapos, yung pag nakita mo yung langit, alam mong hindi na titigil ang ulan sa sobrang itim ng langit. I mean, alam mong talagang for the whole day ay uulan. So, medyo nag-worry kami doon na baka hindi mag-push through. Although wala pa kami binabayaran kasi nagbayad kami nung dumating na yung susundo sa amin. So, nag-breakfast kami around 7 a.m. Ganun pa rin, di maulan. Sabi ko, hopefully, baka naman after 2 hours. Kasi, since ang pick up sa amin 8 to 9, hoping na
tumila. And around 9:30 na in the morning, hindi pa kami nasusundo. So, wala pa rin kumakatok sa amin kung tuloy. Although sabi naman ng receptionist ng around 8 a.m., tuloy daw. So, nung nag 9:30 in the morning, 9:30 a.m. na, nag-decide na akong bumaba to ask the receptionist if tuloy pa ba yung tour. Para in case na hindi talaga tuloy, accepted naman namin yun kasi kung malakas ang ulan talaga. Maggagawa kami ng panibagong activity para hindi masayang naman yung last full day namin here in El Nido. And luckily, pagbaba ko, biglang dumating na yung susunod sa amin. So, yun. Then, sunundo kami hindi van, kundi tricycle. So, pero sila na yung nagbayad. Then, pagdating doon, sa mismong port, pero before kami dalhin sa port, dinala muna kami sa sa mismong physical office nila. Then after nun, naglakad na lang, walking distance na lang papunta doon sa mismong port. And pagdating, kala ko nga, inisip ko nung hindi pa kami nakikita yung aming bangka o ferry. Inisip ko lang gano'n kami kaunti kasi mamaya ilan lang kami kasi maulan nga, mamaya hindi gano'n karami mag-tour. Pero it's Sunday, syempre, in-expect ko weekend, baka buwan ng weather or something, baka konti lang. Pero, pagdating namin doon, nakita na agad namin yung ferry. Sure kami na, ang dami pala namin, nasa 30-something kami. At, malaki yung ferry. As in, may taas. So, natuwaan na agad kami sa ferry kasi, kita namin na, for sure, bago siya at mapagkakatiwalaan mo na magiging safe yung magiging tour namin. And, ang isa na po na din namin is super bait ng mga crew. Super hands-on, laging napaka-courteous, napaka-maalalahanin, as in, lahat, as in talaga lahat ng kailangan, hindi na namin kailangan tanungin, sila na yung initiate. Nag-initiate na talaga sila ng tulong or any kind of service na pwede nalang i-offer sa inyo. So, yun. So, nagustuhan namin. So, ipopost ko na lang kung ano yung name ng mismong operator ng tour namin. So, officially, nag-start ang aming tour around past 10 a.m. na yun. Ganun. Nag-start siya. So, unang pinuntahan namin is yung the 7 Commandos. So, sabi nila, tinanong ko na talaga yon kung bakit 7 Commandos. Kasi parang yung pinuntahan naman namin is parang typical na island lang naman. Pero maganda yung view I mean, naisip ko, bakit kaya 7 Commandos? So, sabi naman sa amin ni Kuya Tour Guide, kaya 7 Commandos kasi because of the fishing vessels na lumubog doon or bumangga doon sa portion na yon, sa island na yon, na may pangalan, or sumadsad, o naman, basta may nangyari doon na fishing vessel siya na ang pangalan ay 7 Commandos. So, ang nangyari daw, nasira yung corals. Sumadsad doon, nagkaroon ng problema sa fishing vessels, nakasira na maraming corals, tapos kinang-confiscate yung mismong fishing vessels ng authority kasi sa nangyari yun. So, from that situation, sa incidents, doon nila kinuha yung pangalang 7 Commandos. Then, tinanong ko, during that time, ba tourist spot na ba siya? Sabi nila, hindi. So, yun yung doon nag-start na mag-search siya maging tourist spot. Parang yung history, a little bit history about doon. Then, so, next stop, siguro nag-stay kami ng mga around 40 minutes lang. Kasi naging talagang strict sila when it comes to sa gaano duration for every location. Kasi nga, since late na kami nag-start, so para at least makover namin ng hindi ganun ka-hassle. So, after 40 minutes, sumunod is yung pinaka-highlight ng Tour A, which is the Big Lagoon. So, dun kami nag-stay ng 1 hour. Siya yung pinakamatagal, pinaka-exciting, kasi nagkaya ka talaga for 1 hour, na kayo lang ng partner mo. Kasi, yun nga lang, hindi siya, yung fee doon, hindi included sa tour. So, may additional no worth 300 pesos pag dalawa kayo, or kahit isa ka, 300 pesos. Pero good for ito na yun. Pero pag family kayo, maximum of 3 packs, worth 350 pesos. So, super ganda. As in,
doon pa lang, amazed na kami. As in talaga na-appreciate namin lahat. Ang ganda ng Big Lagoon, ang ganda ng tubig, ang ganda ng experience nun sa pagkakaya. Kasi, ikaw lang, kumbaga, wala si tour guide doon. Bahala ka na, kumbaga, nasa iyo na yon yung effort, pagpipicture. Pero may time na nag-reach out naman na ano. Pero, yun kasama yun sa experience eh. Kumbaga, ikaw na kung anong discarding gagawin mo para makapagpa-picture ka while kayaking ka. So, although pag first timer ka, medyo masakit sa kamay, saka sa puwet, kasi nakaano ka eh, sa nandun yung pag hindi ka sanay. Pero overall, nagustuhan talaga namin. Then, after nun, after 1 hour, sumunod yung Sumiso Island, no? Sumiso Island. So, dun kami magla-lunch. So, again, after nun, tinanong ko, syempre, again, initially, parang sinabi niya na rin kung bakit yun yung name ng island, Sumiso Island, because meron daw diver doon named Sumiso, Mr. Sumiso. It's a Japanese national diver na doon namatay. Nagkaroon ng accident, namatay siya doon. Kasi parang may portion yata doon na parang cave, na hindi na siya tumaas yung tubig, hindi na siya nakabalik. Ganun. Parang yung ganun yung story niya. So, para sa pag-alala dun sa diver na yon, dun pinangalan yung island. Sumiso Island. So, dun kami nag-lunch buffet. Na hindi na kami bumaba sa mismong ferry namin. Kasi nag-put up na sila dun ng mini buffet table. So, dun. As in dun. So, imagine mo kung gaano kaganda yung paligid mo, yung view mo, at the same time, nagkumakain kayo sa tabi o sa gitna mismo ng dagat na yun. So, yung experience, number 1, ang ganda. Ganda ng experience. Tapos yung food nila, hindi cheap, kumbaga, sakto. Mabubusog ka. Tapos maraming variety. Kompleto. Kasi may fruits, may fish, may pork, may noodles, yung pancit canton, mayroong veggies. So, kumbaga, complete meal. Tapos may water, ganun. So, hindi kami mabibitin kasi marami naman. So, pwede ka pa nga bumalik. So, overall, contented kami or satisfied dun sa naging service pagdating sa food. And hindi naman sumakat ang tiyan namin. So, nakaka-happy lang. Then, after nun, siguro, kainan ng mga 1 hour or 40 minutes. Then, after nun, sakto, dun sa lugar na spot na yun ng Sumiso Island, maganda rin siya mag-snorkeling part. So, mayroon doon yung after kumain, nagpahinga ng konti, nag-snorkeling din kami. Pero more or less mga 10 minutes lang. Pero na-enjoy na agad namin. Then, after nun, sumunod nun ay yung mismong snorkeling area. Doon, as in, wow. As in, wow talaga. Super wow. Ang ganda ng ilalim ng dagat. Ang ganda. As in, grabe. First time in my life na nakakita ko ng ganong kagandang coral sa ilalim sa mga isda. Hindi naman kasi ako diver, hindi naman ako expert sa ganon, or hindi naman kami swimmer. Pero, na-appreciate namin yung mga ganong scene or nature. As in talagang love na love ko. Grabe, nakashook. So, stay kami daw around 40 minutes lang din. Then, around, mag-4 na, nung overall afternoon. So, naging limited time na talaga yung pagpunta namin, yung last part ng tour, which is yung Secret Lagoon. Secret Lagoon is maliit lang talaga din siya. Pero, mawaw ka rin. Kasi, ang ganda ng rock formation na ang taas-taas niya, tapos ang babaw ng tubig. Although, talagang binigyan lang kami ng 20 minutes. Pero, kaya minaximize na namin yun, nag-picture-picture na lang kami, ininamnam namin yung ganda ng rock formations. Tapos bago ka makapasok doon kasi may maliit na hole kang papasukin. So, adventure pa rin. So, overall talaga, lahat ng pinuntahan namin, walang tapon. Lahat talagang maganda. As in, maganda. Baga, worth talaga. Worth yung price, worth yung pagod. Kasi, mafe-feel mo na yung pagod. Actually, pagdating sa third location mo, nafe-feel medyo nandun yung portion na, o part na medyo na-exhausted ka na. Pero luckily ang kagandahan ng weather namin, kasi dumating sa point na yung pag half na ng part ng aming tour is gumanda na yung weather namin. Naging sumikat na si Haring Araw. So, di na maulan, okay na yung weather, kasi na-appreciate na namin lahat, mas na-appreciate na namin lahat. So, sa akin, okay pa rin sa akin yung ganong weather, medyo gloomy, pero may konting pasilip-silip minsan, kasi hindi kami masyado na exhausted. Kasi, if mainit na, or like, ni-imagine ko kung summer to, mas makaka-exhaust kasi, as in, nandun yung excitement na hindi mo naman marirealize, eventually napapagod ka na rin. Pero overall, super ganda talaga siya. So, after ng Secret Lagoon, travel time na kami, mga past 4 na. So, eksaktong 5 p.m., mga di naman, mga 10 minutes before, nagdadak na kami, pabalik sa El Nido Town. Sa El Nido Dock something, o ano man, Duckport, ganon. Doon na, nakarating na kami doon. So, doon natapos yung tour namin, which is very hopeful, very siksik talaga siya. Kasi, okay, approved talaga. So, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung travel agency na nag-accommodate sa amin. Then, after nun, uwi muna sa accommodation, naligo, nagpahinga ng konti, and then nag-coffee, then naglakad-lakad, kasi sabi nga namin, last full day na namin, and probably last night namin here in El Nido. Then, nag-dinner na rin kami. Then, yun, pagbalik dito, magpapahinga na. So, that's it. And tomorrow will be our last day, half day, kasi ang check-out here sa accommodation namin is around 12 noon. So, plan na tomorrow, maybe early morning, mag-breakfast muna outside para at least ma-feel naman natin. Then, pero kung ano, kainin pa rin naman natin yung, amunin pa rin natin yung breakfast here. Kasi ang kagandahan naman sa accommodation dito, everyday, iba yung, ihaay na lang sa inyong breakfast. So, walang umay. Then, after nun, hindi kami nag-book ng aming van transfer. So, plano namin mag-DIY kami tomorrow. Tingnan namin, punta kami dun sa mismo terminal ng mga van. So, tingnan natin. Kasi gusto namin na matry naman na hindi kami mag-book on the spot kung makakuha kami ng van transfer. So, update ko kayo tomorrow, guys. So, for now, thank you for watching. Sana kahit paano na-enjoy nyo rin yung aming na-share sa inyong video. Kung sana naitatali din namin kung gano'n siya kaganda yung napuntahan namin. And bye for now. Good night, guys. See you soon.